This video covers the new interactions that you can have with the score in the new Tonalities interface. So as you can see, we've refined a little bit the interface. You now have on the left hand side the current music model you're working with. So we have Guillotel 2022 with the available concepts right there in the tree. And you have on the right hand side the created annotations. For instance, we don't have any. Anyway, our focus today is on the score and the interactions inside the score. So we've developed new interaction modes based on our reviews, the stakeholders' reviews, sorry. And we first started with a new pagination that was requested by the stakeholders, meaning that instead of a vertical scroll throughout the score, you select the desired page from the pagination that's available at the top. So you go through page by page. Now that's a much better way and simpler way to access the score. But if you focus inside the score, we've got a massive improvement for the note selection, individual note selection. You are able to directly select the notes with simple hovering next to it. Now that's cool because before you had to precisely and explicitly click on the note shape, which was kind of painful. Typically, if you zoom out or if you have notes that aren't filled. So now that's a very massive improvement. So because with this clean circle hover shape around each note, it allows for a much simpler note selection. Now, another feature that was requested by the stakeholders from the reviews and that we've added is the group selection inside the same line. So you can pick a note and then somewhere out in the line you can click another one with the shift key pressed, and you can see that it selects the notes that are present in between. So if you, for instance, you select a cadence, it allows you for a much quicker selection. Here I can just pick the notes like this, and these doesn't matter the order. So you can just undo them right afterwards. So that's for the group selection, and of course you still have the ability to select all the notes that are present, that are played at the same time with the shift key pressed. For example, here we have 6 notes present at that time point, and yeah, so that's the three ways you can address notes on the score and interact with the score. The new cherry pick, which is using the hover, the shift key with the multiple selection, and the alt key with the time selection, we could say. And you can just undo them.